Hi guys, today I'll show you how to fix iPhone automatically going into silent mode. Method 1. Check the mute switch, volume and phone case. The first method is checking the basic things. If your iPhone has a mute switch, check the switch on the side of your iPhone. If you see the red color, silent mode is turned on. Move the switch back to turn silent mode off. Now check the ringer volume. Open settings, tap sounds and haptics. Increase the ringtone and alerts volume. Method 2. Turn off attention aware features. The second method is turning off attention aware features. This feature can lower alert volume when your iPhone detects that you are looking at the screen. Because of that, it may feel like your phone is going into silent mode or lowering sound automatically. Open settings, tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down and find attention aware features. Turn it off. Now test your calls and notifications again. Method 3. Disable Do Not Disturb automation. The third method is checking Do Not Disturb automation. Sometimes Do Not Disturb turns on automatically at a specific time or location. When this happens, your iPhone silences calls and notifications in the background. Open Settings, tap Focus, tap Do Not Disturb. Now check if any schedule is enabled. If you see a schedule, open it. Turn it off. You can also delete the schedule if you don't need it. Now go back and check if Do Not Disturb turns on automatically again. Method 4. Turn off driving focus. The fourth method is turning off driving focus. Your iPhone can automatically enable driving focus when it detects car movement, connects to car Bluetooth or connects to CarPlay. When driving focus turns on, calls and notifications may be silenced. Open Settings, tap Focus, tap Driving. Tap while driving. Select manually. Now turn off Activate with CarPlay if you don't want it to turn on automatically. This stops your iPhone from entering driving focus without you noticing. Method 5. Turn off Silence Unknown Callers. The fifth method is turning off Silence Unknown Callers. This setting does not silence your whole phone, but it can silence calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts. So if calls from courier services, banks, delivery agents or new contacts are not ringing, this may be the reason. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Tap Phone, tap Silence Unknown Callers. Turn it off. Now your iPhone should ring for unknown numbers again. Method 6. Disable Back Tap Mute Gesture. The sixth method is checking back tap. Back tap lets you double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform actions. If you set back tap to mute, your iPhone may go silent when you accidentally tap the back of the phone. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, tap Touch, scroll down and tap Back Tap. Open Double Tap. If it is set to mute, change it to none or another action. Now open Triple Tap. Again, remove mute if it is selected. Now check if your iPhone still turns silent automatically. Method 7. Reset all settings. The final method is resetting all settings. Use this only if nothing else works. This does not delete your photos, videos, apps or personal files. But it resets custom settings like network settings, keyboard settings, privacy settings and other system preferences. Open Settings, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your passcode, confirm the reset. Wait for the process to complete. After that, test your iPhone for some time and check if silent mode still turns on by itself. Quick recap. If your iPhone automatically goes into silent mode, try these fixes. Check the mute switch, ringer volume and phone case. Turn off attention aware features. Disable Do Not Disturb automation. Turn off driving focus auto activation. Turn off silence unknown callers. Remove back tap mute gestures. Reset all settings if nothing else works. Start with the mute switch and focus settings first because those are the most common reasons. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if your iPhone still goes silent automatically, comment your iPhone model and tell me whether it happens during calls, while driving, at night, or randomly. I'll help you find the exact fix.